Hi, welcome back to Campervan Culture. This time we're going to show you another one of our products, and it is this. It's our front table bed step. So, I don't know about you guys, but I'm not keen on the kids or indeed myself standing on the furniture to get in the roof. So what we've done, we've had these made with an anti-slip top which fits onto your table leg. As usual, fitting is very simple. Firstly, just undo the knob there, slip your table leg out, pop the step through, and pop the table leg back in there. The step comes with one of these. It's got a drill bit on the end of the bolt there, so you don't have to pre-drill. What you have to do is just get your socket, and then that will then drill straight in through the steel and give the step something to sit at. When you fit it, just make sure that the step lines up halfway like that between the cupboard and the drawer, just simply because you can then still open your drawer and your cupboard. And then when you've done that, line that up, just pop the bolt just under there. I've already had this step fitted, so I've got the hole already there, so I won't be using the drill just now because the hole's already there. But yeah, once that's screwed in, you know, the step will be in place. This has been on for about 3 years. We've been testing these, and that'll allow it to swing out, and then you can stand on that to get into the bed, or just stand on that just to see if the kids are alright up there without disturbing them in the night. While testing this product, we found it to become a bit of a dual use thing. It's something that I wouldn't want to be without now, simply just because of its other use that we found for it by accident, really. So despite your best efforts, usually when the bed's down, this table though just gets full of stuff, very rarely you know, empty, and you know, people are in bed. You don't want to be swinging that table across first thing in the morning when you're making your morning coffee. So when the kettle is on and all the countertops are up, you know, you go to make your coffee, you open the drawer, you know, get your spoon, open the cupboard, get your cup. Where'd you put your cup? You could put it on the floor, but then, you know, that's going to knock it over. They're pretty compact and bijou, these vans. So with the step, what it does, it just gives you that little option there, just to swing that out. You put your coffee cup on there. You can still get in and out of the drawers or the cupboard with that there, and it'll just you know, allow you just to make that nice little cup of coffee there in the morning, while everyone else is usually asleep there or up there.